Over time, let's get you, see if we can get you jumping. Oh, that was kind of shaky. Let me try it again. Let me try it again. Yep, oops, thank you. I dropped it. Okay, try it one more time. You love to jump. It's like your favorite thing. Okay, thank you. Yes, he's very good at giving me the ball back. Oh my gosh, he's like a little rabbit. Or a kangaroo or something. He's just so funny. Watch this again. Come here. Hand it to me. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's do a scan. I don't know why he likes to jump so much. I heard it's the breed, I guess. Okay, try this again. Oh, what a trip.